Oh, may mga loggers.
Hello, Iris.
Hi.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
And Manang, hello. What time is it, by the way?
Around 12 something.
Let me check.
12.
It's already 12:14 in the morning. So good morning, everyone. My name is Mark, and this is a video blog of Iris's first visit to the Neta Park here in Manila, Philippines. So let's do a little interview with our tourist here. So Miss Iris, what can you say about Luneta Park?
People are looking. Don't make it so obvious that it's my first time.
Don't make it obvious that it's your first time. Oh, they're practicing a dance step.
I think they're cheerleaders.
Probably. That's the Department of Tourism. So it's 12:14 in the morning. So for some reason we ate something that made us made up our mind, to come here and stroll around. For some reason, actually, if you can see our outfit for today, is we're all wearing jackets.
Yeah.
Me too. I'm also wearing a jacket, but actually it's not cold. We were expecting to have a cold weather or wind here, but it's not for some reason. Iris, you haven't answered my question yet. Yeah, what can you say about Luneta Park? This is your first time here?
I haven't seen the entire park yet.
Oh, so after you've seen the entire
I'm not
park,
yet
then...
impressed.
Okay, you're not impressed yet. Okay.
Yeah, because I have yet to see
So don't worry, we'll walk around the whole park, and then we'll do a follow-up interview with you after.
Yeah, I'm gonna answer that later.
Okay, no problem. And we also brought the dogs with us. That's Bench, our Shih Tzu dog, and that's Sophie, our foot-long puppy. So this is a very, very big park. We haven't actually seen half of the park. So we'll just be checking this side of the park, and then from there, or from here, we'll go to the other side. But Iris, you want to come here? There's a big map of the Philippine Islands in that center.
Let's find Mindanao.
Yeah, let's find Mindanao.
That's where I came from, and Mark is so afraid of going to
That's
Mindanao.
where Iris is from, and Iris has, somehow related to the rebellion. Rebellious people, just kidding. So it's dark, but there's a map of the Philippine Islands there.
That's the map.
Yeah, there is. It would look good if you were inside the LRT. You can see the whole map. Okay.
Is it dirty? Obviously.
I'm not sure because it's too dark. I can't see a thing here. Okay, so do you want to walk around all the way to the end of that park, or shall we go to the other side? Because you've seen it anyway. There's nothing to see there. That's the Taft National Road. Uy, wag nakakahiya. Kilala niyo yan? O, kilala naman pala. Sige, panapitin mo.
Bye. Sige.
Sige na, palapitin mo. Okay naman daw eh.
Smell. Uy, baka mapagaling.
Hindi ko kakilala naman nila. Ay, si Iris.
Hindi sila.
Sige, dilaan mo. Para magising.
Uy, baka magalit. Uy, baka pati pag magalit
Kilala nga daw nila. Kilala nyo yan ate
Para magising. Uy. Ayaw. Dito.